Yo, what's up everybody? It's Nicholas here, and AI is blowing up right now. But let me ask you this, are you really using ChatGPT to, use it? Most people are just scratching the surface. We're diving deep into 10 ChatGPT features that most people have. ChatGPT is more than just answering questions or writing a quick email. It can do some seriously next-level stuff. Stick around because number 1 is going to absolutely blow your mind. Let's dive in. You're working on a project and you're stuck, we've all been there. But now, ChatGPT can be your creative wingman. Think of it like this. You've got this massive brainstorming partner available 24/7, ready to throw out ideas. Just type in, give me 10 unique business ideas in the fitness niche. And boom, ChatGPT hits you with a list of ideas you probably wouldn't have thought of on your own. Refine it. Tell ChatGPT to focus on a specific idea, or ask for variations. It's like having a conversation with your own personal idea generator. Use it for writing projects, coming up with YouTube video topics, even planning your next vacation. Trust me, once you start using AI for brainstorming, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Let's talk content creation. We all know content is king, but creating high-quality content consistently, it can be a grind. ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. I'm talking about crafting entire blog posts, social media captions that pop off, ad copy that converts. Even scripts like this one. You can literally ask ChatGPT to write me a viral tweet about AI in under 280 characters. And bam! It spits out something catchy and engaging. You can give it a specific style, tone, even tell it to write in the voice of your favorite influencer, and the best part? It does it all in seconds. No more staring at a blank screen for hours. ChatGPT takes all of that away. Alright students, this one's for you. Stuck on a homework problem? Struggling to understand a complex topic? ChatGPT is about to become your new best study buddy. Imagine this. You're trying to wrap your head around quantum physics. Just ask ChatGPT to explain quantum physics like I'm 10 years old. And suddenly it all clicks. ChatGPT breaks down complex topics into simple, easy-to-understand language. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7. ChatGPT can help you with coding, learning a new language, even getting step-by-step solutions to tricky math problems. Sometimes, you just need a quick explanation or a different perspective to really grasp a concept. As a tool for learning, for understanding, for exploring new subjects, it's absolutely incredible. It's like having a world of knowledge at your fingertips. Okay developers, this one's for you. Are you using ChatGPT to its full potential? This thing can seriously level up your coding game. Imagine this, you need a specific script to scrape data from a website. Just ask ChatGPT to write a Python script that scrapes stock prices. And boom, it generates the code for you in seconds. Stuck on a particularly nasty bug? Paste it in, ask it to find the error, and it'll pinpoint the problem and suggest fixes. It's like having a senior developer looking over your shoulder. ChatGPT can help you learn new programming languages, generate code snippets for specific tasks, even optimize your existing code for better performance. It's like having a personal coding assistant available 24/7. If you're a developer and you're not using ChatGPT, you're missing out. It can save you so much time and frustration. This is the future of coding, people. Let's talk business. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, ChatGPT can help you automate tasks, boost your marketing efforts, and scale your business. Need to write a killer sales email? Just tell ChatGPT to write me an email that sells an online course on productivity. And boom, it generates a compelling, persuasive email. ChatGPT can write product descriptions, generate engaging social media posts, even help you plan entire marketing campaigns. It's like having a whole team of marketers working for you around the clock. Once you figure out the right prompts and workflows, ChatGPT can take over those repetitive tasks. It's time to start using AI to crush your business goals today. Life is busy. We're all juggling a million things at once, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But what if you had a personal assistant who could take care of all those little tasks? You already do. It's called ChatGPT. Think about all the things you do on a daily basis that could be automated or streamlined. Creating to-do lists, scheduling appointments, even writing emails. ChatGPT can handle all of that and more. Need to politely decline a meeting request? Just ask ChatGPT to write me a polite email to decline a meeting. Struggling to stay motivated and on track with your goals? ChatGPT can help you create a personalized habit tracker. It's not here to replace you, but to augment your abilities and free up your time. Whether it's spending more time with loved ones, pursuing your passions, or just taking a break, ChatGPT can help you get there. So you want to start a YouTube channel or a podcast? It's a great way to share your thoughts, your passions, your expertise with the world. But creating engaging content consistently, that takes time, effort, and a lot of creativity. ChatGPT can be your secret weapon in the content creation game. Struggling to come up with new video ideas? Just tell ChatGPT to give me 10 YouTube video ideas about your niche. And boom, instant inspiration. ChatGPT can actually write your entire video script for you. You can literally have AI generate a script that's engaging, informative, and tailored to your specific audience. Use ChatGPT in conjunction with AI voiceover software to create high-quality videos without ever having to show your face or record your own voice. Need a catchy title that's optimized for search engines? ChatGPT's got you covered. Want to write compelling descriptions that hook viewers? No problem. Planning a trip can be exciting, but it can also be incredibly stressful. There's so much to think about. Flights, accommodation, activities, budget. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. But what if you had a personal travel agent available 24/7 to handle all the details for you? You do. It's called ChatGPT. Planning a trip to Tokyo? Just tell ChatGPT to create a 7-day travel itinerary for Tokyo, with must-see attractions and budget options. And boom, instant travel guide. ChatGPT will generate a detailed itinerary, complete with recommended flights, hotels within your budget, must-see attractions, local restaurants, even transportation options. Interested in a specific type of food or activity? Just tell ChatGPT and it will customize your itinerary to include your preferences. Want to explore hidden gems off the beaten path? No problem. It's like having a travel companion who knows exactly what you want before you even ask. Managing your finances can be intimidating. Budgets, investments, retirement planning, it's a lot to keep track of. But what if you had a personal finance advisor available 24/7 to guide you every step of the way? You do. It's called ChatGPT. Now, I'm not saying ChatGPT should replace a qualified financial advisor, but it can be an incredibly valuable tool for understanding complex financial concepts and making informed decisions about your money. New to investing and feeling overwhelmed? Just ask ChatGPT to explain investing for beginners in simple terms. ChatGPT will break down the basics of investing, explaining different asset classes, risk levels, and investment strategies in a way that's easy to understand. ChatGPT can help you create a personalized budget, track your spending, even explore different investment options based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. It's like having a financial literacy coach in your pocket. Use ChatGPT as a tool for learning and exploration. Alright, now it's time to get really meta. The real power of AI lies in its ability to automate tasks and create custom solutions tailored to your specific needs. Think about all the repetitive tasks you do on a daily basis. Answering emails, scheduling appointments, generating reports. What if you could automate all of that, freeing up your time and mental energy to focus on more important things? With ChatGPT and its API, you can. Developers are already using ChatGPT to build custom chatbots that handle customer service inquiries, automate workflows, even create personalized learning experiences. You can actually train ChatGPT on your own data to create custom GPTs that are specifically designed for your unique needs. Imagine having an AI that knows your business inside and out, that can answer any question, generate any type of content, and automate any task you throw at it. This is the future of AI, and it's already here. So there you have it, 10 insane ChatGPT features that most people have never even heard of. Hopefully this video has opened your eyes to the true potential of AI. Remember, ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's a game changer. What's your favorite AI feature? Drop a comment below and let me know, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI hacks and tech deep dives. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep unlocking the future.